There, 6:38 in the morning, beautiful shot there from Mission Bay. And today, the temperatures are going to be a little warmer than what we saw yesterday by a few degrees, closer to normal. But in some areas, though, still pretty chilly right now. We're still in the 40s there in Kearney Mesa and along our coastline. Ramona still stuck in the 20s by the airport. El Cajon 37 degrees, Chula Vista at 41. So today, we're going to be close to normal. By Monday, things are going to change. We do have this low pressure system moving on south. So by Monday, it's going to be cooler. We're going to have that strengthening onshore flow. And like we've been talking about, that first chance of rain that's late Monday into Tuesday. Our rain futurecast here is showing that most of the day is going to be dry on Monday. And then by around 7:30, we're going to start to see some scattered showers. It will become more widespread as the night continues. Along the coast, we could expect rain between 1/10 of an inch to about 1/3 of an inch. And we do have several days for that chance of rain. About a 60% chance on Tuesday, less of a chance on Wednesday, and then it increases again as we get into next weekend. So for today, if you're going to be heading outdoors, no raindrops today. We're going to be in the 60s along the coast, upper 60s in our inland valleys. The 7-day forecast here is showing you that swing in temperatures. So we're going to be in the mid 50s by Tuesday there. Pack the umbrella, make sure the windshield wipers are working, because even though we're not expecting a deluge, we do have that chance of rain over the next few days. Still pretty chilly in the overnight hours in our inland valleys, the mountains, the 40s today. Could see snow by Tuesday. The desert's about 66.